How about an 80s classic here at Unique Specialty Classics? 1988 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. Actual mile car, only 9,872 on the odometer at the moment. No accents indicated on the Carfax. 305 V8, so 5 liter underneath the hood. Paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Nicely equipped, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold, heat blows hot. As we take a good look at that front fascia, grille. Dark maroon metallic, beautiful color in this car. Paint code 79. Interior is the maroon cloth, 45/55 split front seat. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. It's riding on the correct Monte Carlo SS wheels. Those things are in nice shape. You don't always see them in that condition, no doubt about that. Speaking of condition, look at the reflection in the paint. Paint shows well in this one. Granted, it's coming up on what? 40 years old now. You may find an imperfection here or there, but overall, I have not noticed any major nicks, dings, scratches. It's one of those, get in the car, turn the key and go. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at that interior, but also in incredible shape. Definitely reflects the low miles. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Does have the limited slip differential in the rear, as well as electric rear defogger. And you can see exactly how this car was equipped. A couple different ways. You'll be able to see the RPO code sticker in with the still pictures, and also the original window sticker will be included in the still pictures and go along with this car as you get a good look at the rear of it. And once again, underside pictures, interior, engine bay, trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take your time looking through them. Technician did note, brakes are 80% in the front, 90% in the rear. Tires were date coded 2020 and 2021, so those are not very old either. Some of the original delivery paperwork will go along with this, as well as the owner's manual. And then I did mention the window sticker. Dual exhaust is complete from the rear to the front with catalytic converters. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Once again, no major nicks, dings, dents, scratches. If you like Monte Carlos, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. This body style being one of my favorite, as far as the Montes go, but growing up in the 80s probably has something to do with that. These were considered very nice looking cars back then. And to me, to this day, still are. Nice classic. Power windows, power locks. Take a look. Very little wear to this door panel. Of course, if this car had much more miles on it, you would see more wear on the armrests. And of course, up here, people rested their arm on the top of that panel. And then look at this seat. That side vinyl not cracked or worn, showing its age. This is just a little speck of lint. One thing I will tell you, right here is the true color of that interior. If you watch our videos before, you know you get up on certain maroon colors, blues, it wants to wash them out. Looks a lot lighter when I get right on top of it, kind of browns it out. There is the correct color of that interior. It basically looks like it's new. Tilt column cruise control, AM/FM cassette player. Let's check it out. There's your exact miles, and that is accurate miles, 9,872. Car appears to have been stored indoors also. Look at the top of that dash. No sun fade, cracking. Stereo system working as it should.
Trust for Breeze Car Vent Clips, featuring
an AM/FM cassette. How about headliner? Sometimes known in this body style to sag or come down. That headliner looks good. Door closes nicely. Let's listen. Nothing crazy over the top for exhaust. Sounds like you'd expect a stock 88 Monte Carlo SS to sound. Let's slip up to the front. I want to pause this real quick. Let's get this hood popped open. Check out that engine bay. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take this car for a drive. Take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Hood popped. Let's take a look at this hood liner first off. Look how clean that is. Does not appear this thing's been driven in inclement weather. Doesn't surprise me with the condition. And again, look at those underside pictures. Here's that engine bay. I don't think you'll find it much cleaner. So 305, power steering, power brakes, AC's cold. Newer battery too, 2024. It appears the AC has been converted also from the R12 to 134A. And again, check out the window sticker if you want to see exactly how it's equipped. And all of those still pictures, over 100. UniqueClassicCars.com, number to call, 507-386-1726. It's a 1988 Chevy Monte Carlo SS. 9,872 miles on the odometer at the moment. No accidents indicated. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
As well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1988 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Another car that seems like it still just came out of the showroom as a brand new Monte Carlo in 1988. Very nice condition. Everywhere I see, everywhere I feel. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy for anybody to drive. Very nice throttle response. Accelerates as you would expect. Fuel gauge is reading a little less than a quarter of a tank. The volts are over 14. The temperature is a quarter of the way up and still rising. Oil pressure about 45 to 50 psi. And the tachometer and speedometer working as they should. Factory stereo sounding good. Cruise control works as it should, engages instantly, very nice. Even the headliner looks nice, the dash, tight steering, nice, smooth yet firm road ride, firm enough to know this is a sports car, a sporty car to say the least, but also rides nicely. The brakes feel nice and firm. Those sway bars doing their job. It corners really quite flat. Such an easy car to drive. The comfort of these cars, the angles and just the comfort in the seat. It's even that really nice cloth. Take a look at all the pictures of this 88 Monte Carlo at UniqueClassicCars.com.